Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Don't mind all the rigmarole and the mess, all the background. Today is going to be the final day of the SLK death-kart nitrous install. I know it kind of dragged on a little bit, but I want to see how many videos I can get out of this. And I had a little bit of a time off of work. Well, the weekend, whatever it is. Today is going to be the test driving and all that stuff. And don't forget guys to hit that subscribe button down there. I know there's like X amount of views I get, not a lot, but I have even less subscribers than views. So if you guys wouldn't mind to subscribe, it really does help me out a lot. And then that way it helps me to keep making more of these views and all that stuff. But hopefully you guys enjoy, and then stick around for the whole video. There might be a little surprise at the end. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, we got the SLK all ready to going. Oh, also what it is, I threw the other wheels on. These are the 17 inches, and they got a lot more tread on the tires, so it's a little bit safer. They're a little bit wider. And I think it looks pretty nice with these. I might keep them on here. I might put them back on the black car. I don't really know, but I kind of like it right now. So, I like it, but we're going to go, me and my buddy are going to hop in the car. We're going to go take it out and do a couple of hits and test everything out. But it's looking pretty clean. I still got all this stuff ripped all apart over here. Let me get that light on. I still got the heater hose in there. I definitely need to clean it all up, but I want to go test everything out before if something's malfunctioning. It's easy for me to get it. And I won't tell him, but I still got the purge right to go. I don't know if you can see it, but it shoots down right at his leg. But, all right. Let's start going. All right, guys, we're in the first test. We got the bottle on, the heater on, and we're going to do a test with it just normal really quick and see if I feel a difference. Alright guys, we're going to try one with the bottle on now. Doing like a 20 roll. Not bad. Alright. We're going to do one more hit with this. Armed. We still got 900 on the bottle pressure. So we're going to go around the bend over here and then do another hit.
Let them go by, huh?
Yep. Alright, we're gonna try like maybe a 5 mile an hour little roll this time. Armed, on, ready? The tires and the traction control just kicked in and wouldn't let us go anymore.
So it is kicking in?
Oh yeah, that kicked in. Alright, we're gonna do another hit. This time, see what happens. Alright, we're spinning a lot, so I'm going to take it back and go drop the PSI on the rear tires and check everything out. Alright guys, we made it back. and we're gonna try to drop the tire pressure. So right now we're at like right around 30 on these. So we're gonna drop it to get a little bit more traction. I'm gonna try to put it at like 20, 21. All right, we're at 20 right now, and I'm gonna do the same to the other side. All right, guys, we're back here now. We're gonna check over the engine to make sure we don't got any leaks or anything stupid or anything crazy like that. Woo. It is definitely, it's like 85, 86 degrees out today. So it's definitely pretty hot. So we're letting this cool down a little bit. Just checking to make sure anything like break off. None of the lines are leaking, anything stupid like that. And then one thing I did find out, here, come over here. This hose definitely gets really hootenanny hot. But I am going to trim this all up and make it a lot cleaner because we got no leaks, no nothing. It did really good. And then the switch panel that was here, I'm going to have to plug part of it back in so I could actually turn the ESP on and off. And my blinkers don't work right now. But besides that, pretty good, pretty good. Oh, where's the other piece? Here we go. Yeah, keep it recording. I could just edit this out. All right, guys. So since we didn't have the blinkers working, and I couldn't turn the traction control on and off. So if you saw with one of the pools, when we were spinning, it was basically shutting itself down like it would. And I wasn't getting full pull. So I need to get the switches and everything out of here. So I already did this just because it's very annoying. I got the first part of it. All you do is put a screwdriver right in here. And you can pop these little clips right out. So it's the first set, which is the heating seats. And then you do the same thing for this one. And then you literally have the hazard lights, ESP, and then the door locks. The door locks don't effing matter for me, though. And then, we're going to hop over here and see if I can find the right switch. And I didn't cut it or do anything stupid. Alright, let's try to guess some plugs.
Still recording, by the way.
Yeah, that's cool, man. Probably shouldn't have said you were still recording.
Well, you can edit that out, don't you?
I guess, yeah. Alright, so I found one. Oh. Got blinkers already? That doesn't look like it. We're looking for... Oh, bollocks. Alright, one issue I am having with the whole switch situation for the ESP for right now is, for whatever reason, I was stupid, and I cut something at one point of removing all this, and I don't know which one of these wires are the ones that are supposed to go into that pin right there, so the switch will work. So, I'll have to do a little research, and see if I can figure it out. If anyone knows, throw it in the comments, so I can try to get that knocked out quickly enough. But, oh well. Alright guys, we're going like, I don't know, test it like 5 or 6. This is with the tire PSI at 20 PSI compared to roughly 30. It's still hot as hootenanny out. We got the bottle armed. And we're going to test this. This is going to be like a 20 roll. That's where we spun pretty bad, so I'm gonna ease into it a little bit and then hit it. All right, dropping down. All right, we're doing like we'll do like a 7-10 roll. it shifted. That was 100% me. But we just kind of redlined it pretty hardcore with the nitrous on it. Blow it up, I guess. Alright, we're going to head back and make sure everything's good. Definitely got a little dark out, but SOK is all back and didn't blow up. So, put you to bed for the night, little buddy. You did good, boy. Ooh, I might want to paint this later to make it look a little more blacker. But, yeah. Let's head inside, start editing. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. I'm just sitting here with my trusty little partner in crime, Lady. Hope you enjoyed the video. The death-kart is a lot more fun now. Oh, and just in case, I don't know if I said it in the other videos, the jets I ended up using were just a 75 shot for right now. I have up to the 200 shot jets, but since we were spinning a little bit, I didn't want to keep going with it, so I'm going to just keep this 75 in probably for a week or two, and then see how quickly the bottle drops, and then get the bottle refilled, and maybe bump it up to 100, 150. You know, keep it fun. I'm probably going to hook up my draggy to it, and see what times we pull in like the quarter mile and 0-60 for that. That'll be on another little video. Oh, fine. Hop down, go play. Yeah. So, also, I don't know if you guys already did, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We need like 900 more subscribers. And all of that. And have a great day. See you guys later. What's up, guys? You guys still sticking around? Did you hit that subscribe button yet? Or even a like? Ah, Rocco. Alright, so you stuck around. Next video, I bought a new car. It's probably the most expensive car I have on the channel. I'll give you a few hints. It's German, 4-door, and I like it. Some people might not like it. I don't know. It could be a Porsche. It could be a BMW. Okay, it's probably not a BMW, but it might be a Porsche. Right, Rocco? You think I should tell him I got a 911? Ferrari? Oh, yes, Ferrari, okay. Well, don't ruin it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.